Hey, welcome to Locksmith Keyless. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a case on your remotes. You don't have to get a completely new remote case. Instead, save some money and purchase a replacement case. You can find these on our website, locksmithkeyless.com. This is a Ford remote. Through wear and tear, the case could break. However, the remote works perfectly fine. Today I'll show you how to replace the case. To replace the casing, simply open the existing remote and remove the rubber inside. Afterwards, take your rubber piece and place it inside the new casing. Then, take the battery from the back of your old remote, place it into the new case, and then snap it back together. And you're done! After that, you have a fully functioning device. It's ready to use and you didn't have to purchase a new remote. This is a GM remote. Another common problem that occurs is that the keyring tends to break off from the plastic case after years of usage. To replace the case, the steps are the same as previously shown. Open the current case. Remove the rubber inside and place it inside the new case. Relocate the battery, close it, and enjoy your new remote. Side note, if the case isn't broken and instead the design on the rubber has faded, solely replace the rubber. Then transfer and insert the existing program parts back in the case. Lastly, another recurring problem comes with remotes that have keys integrated within them. After a long time of putting the key in the ignition, the key can break off. Just like all previously mentioned examples, you can get a replacement case and the steps are as earlier described. Replace the existing parts which are already programmed with your vehicle and keep using the remote as you normally would. It is important for you to get the key cut by a car locksmith or a local hardware store, otherwise the key will not work once you insert it into the ignition. That concludes this video. Remember, you don't have to get a complete new remote. These days there are many replacement cases for GM, Ford, Lexus keys and more. You can find all the previously mentioned items or other products that fit your needs on our website, locksmithkeyless.com. Thank you for visiting Locksmith Keyless. If you have any other questions or complications, feel free to give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit our website locksmithkeyless.com.